Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You'll begin by ensuring your iPhone is ready and Gboard is installed. First, check iOS updates so the app runs smoothly. Outdated software can block features. Next, open the App Store, search Gboard and tap Install. Wait until the icon finishes. Once done, you'll respond to initial permission prompts. Allow what's necessary for clipboard and optional features. After the app is on the device, make sure to open Settings to add the keyboard. That's where we continue. You now add Gboard to your active keyboards. Go to Settings, then General, then Keyboard, and tap Keyboards to view what's installed. Tap Add New Keyboard, find Gboard under Third-Party Keyboards and select it. That places Gboard in your keyboard list. Next, tap Gboard and toggle Allow Full Access if you want glide typing, GIF, and better predictions. Understand that full access shares data with the app for features, so decide based on your privacy comfort. Finally, test and tweak Gboard. Open Messages or Notes, long press the globe icon and pick Gboard. Try glide typing and search to confirm functionality. Then open the Gboard app to customize themes, languages, emoji, and typing preferences so it matches how you type. If Gboard fails to show, restart your iPhone first, then re-add the keyboard in Settings. Make sure both iOS and Gboard are updated. That quick restart often resolves permissions or loading glitches.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.